got a big girl, an adult female black cricket. I'll put the males in with me. Oh, yeah, I said I was going to get rid of the males, but I'll put the males in me. Bloody cricket. I'll put the males in with my tarantulas, because I don't want females in with my tarantulas, obviously, because they'll God, she seems to know, does this girl? Yeah, I don't want to. Oh, she's hungry. Slowly, slowly, catchy monkey. Needs to head up, really, does that cricket? I'll make her work for it though. It'll make the video longer, but I won't make her. I don't want it to go down though. I don't think she'll be able to reach it. No, I'll just have to send the cricket up. There, because we're going to take too long with video. Should be a really good meal for this, because they'll be full of eggs by the looks of it. No, don't eat its blood. Oh God. Bloody horrible when they do that. When they just bite the feet and then chew the leg down. Yeah, like I was saying, that should be a really good meal for this, because they'll be full of eggs. I won't make it a long video this really, because, well, I'll make it a few minutes, but it's my own fault for pissing about at the start. No, eat its head. Fingers crossed, if that cricket bites it, yeah, it's trying to bite it now, which is a good do, because hopefully it won't damage its forearms, but it'll make the, yeah, she's trying to bite her forearms. She's biting leaf now, but it'll work out better, because she won't damage the mantis forearm, because it's hard as nails there, but it will make the mantis eat her quicker. Well, go for her head hopefully, but it doesn't seem to work in that. There are the eggs now. Yeah, there are the eggs now. She's eating the eggs now, which will I would imagine which will be full of goodness. She'll obviously transfer to my gorgeous girl, who's looking absolutely insane. Look, I love that leaf design on her wings. I think it looks absolutely stunning. I'll just let this run for 5 minutes and we'll call it a day. I'm going to chew its head, sweetheart. Go on, bite her. It needs to bite it. Just so that Mantis feels like it needs to put an end to her quicker. There we go. No, it's just bloody grabbed her different. It's not bloody eating her any. Not eating her any different. There's a cricket got her. Yeah, cricket's biting her, I think, so she should move on to its head. Yeah, there she goes. Going for its head and neck region, I think, now. A bit more. It's bloody gone over 5 minutes now. Yeah, there she goes, look. That's brilliant, that. Better for cricket. I thought that'd be the case if it looked like it were putting up a fight. There we go, chewed its head off. Just crunching head now. I've gone over bloody 6 minutes now. I'll go 6:30. Quick update. Dead leaf girl's not moved, so I thought she was definitely going to shed. Now I'm not 100% sure. And that little bugger looks like it's waiting for some grub again. So I think I'll be feeding her another cricket today.